Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Ledger Live app. First, download the official Ledger Live application from the Ledger website. It's crucial to ensure you're on the correct, secure site to avoid fraudulent software. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation on your computer or mobile device. Always verify the software's authenticity before opening it to protect your assets. Next, connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer using the provided USB cable. The Ledger Live app will then guide you through the initial setup process for your device. This includes setting up a new device or restoring an existing one. Remember to choose a strong, unique PIN code for your device to ensure its security. Once your device is set up, open Ledger Live and navigate to the Accounts section. Here, you can click Add Account to begin adding your cryptocurrency accounts. Select the specific crypto asset you wish to manage, and then confirm the addition on your physical Ledger device. This links your hardware wallet to the software for easy management. Finally, always prioritize security. Your 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Keep it safe, secret, and offline. Regularly update your Ledger Live application and your device's firmware to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, and be wary of phishing attempts or suspicious links.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.